Hello people and welcome to the new video. In this new video I'm going to show you my graphic card testing manner looks like. You can see the black mining frame, it's for 4 graphic cards. There is a motherboard Gigabyte Z590 with processor E3 10th generation. We have there 4 GB RAM stick and power supply 1600 watts platinum. The most important thing here is the RTX 2080 FJ Ultimate graphic card that we are testing today. So I'm going to show you megahash, watts and overclock settings. So this is it, that one tester. Most beautiful thing here is this graphic card. Okay, here is the megahash. With this graphic card we got 99 and 30 megahash. The power is about 215 watts in software, but in the whole mining rig is making exactly 260 watts. Here we can see the temperature of a graphic card is 39. The fan is on 19%, and it has only its original fans, nothing from outside from the graphic card. We can see here on the right corner efficiency and watts. We got 461.9, and this rig is testing now for 34 minutes. I'm going to put it to do it for 5 hours. Okay, here one more time you can see the full settings I put. You can see the fan is 90%, core is 1100, memory is 2350. I'm going to open so you can see also this. You can even set here power limit about 200, but then the hash rate drops from 99 29 it drops to 95, so I don't recommend that. This is much better.